How to reduce lag in Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for you to reduce the lag in Roblox, the first thing that you'll like to do is simply go ahead and tap on this Roblox icon at the top left corner. Now once you are here, select settings. Now inside settings, you'll find different options. From these options, scroll below and then you'll find this option that says graphic mode. So it is set to automatic by default, but what you would like to do is change this to manual. Now once it is set to manual, you want to make sure that the low power mode in your mobile device is toggled off. If it's toggled on, you want to go ahead and toggle it off. Also, you'll have to make sure that your battery percent is above 20%. So with that, it should fix the lag. If it does not fix the lag issue, you want to go ahead and simply restart your mobile device. And once you restart the mobile device, you want to go ahead and restart your Roblox. And once you do that, it will then fix your issue. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.